Hello, welcome back to Takeoff Channel. The United States has long dominated the skies with its cutting-edge fighter jets, investing billions into research, development, and innovation to ensure air superiority. With a blend of stealth, speed, firepower, and advanced avionics, the U.S. military operates some of the most lethal aircraft ever built. These fighter jets are not just machines, they are symbols of American military might and deterrence. Here are 5 of the most feared fighter jets in the U.S. arsenal today. 1. F22 Raptor, the silent predator. The F-22 Raptor is widely regarded as the most powerful air superiority fighter ever created. Built by Lockheed Martin, this 5th-generation stealth jet is designed to dominate enemy aircraft in any airspace. Key features: stealth, near invisible to radar thanks to its shape and radar-absorbent materials. Supercruise, capable of flying at supersonic speeds without afterburners. Agility. Equipped with thrust vectoring nozzles, the F-22 can outmaneuver almost any jet in the world. Sensors and avionics. It has unparalleled situational awareness through its integrated sensors, radar, and data fusion. Although production was limited to 187 units, the F-22 is unmatched in dogfighting and first strike capability, giving the U.S. a significant edge in any high-stakes conflict. Two, F35 Lightning II, the multi-role beast. The F35 Lightning II is the most advanced and the most numerous 5th-generation fighter in the world. Built in 3 variants, F35A for the Air Force, F35B for the Marines, and F35C for the Navy. It is a versatile, stealthy powerhouse used for strike missions, air-to-air combat, and intelligence gathering. Key features: stealth and sensor fusion, stealthy profile combined with real-time data sharing among units. Multi-role design, capable of performing a wide range of missions with precision. Vertical takeoff and landing. The F-35B can operate from short or damaged runways, even amphibious assault ships. Network-centric warfare. Its ability to connect with drones, ships, and other aircraft makes it a core asset in joint operations. More than 1,000 F-35s have already been delivered globally, making it an essential piece of modern warfare and the backbone of future U.S. air dominance. 3. F15 EX Eagle II, the heavy hitter. The F15 EX Eagle II is a modernized version of the legendary F15, one of the most successful fighters in history, with over 100 aerial victories and 0 losses in air combat. Key features: payload capacity. Can carry more weapons than any other fighter in the U.S. fleet, up to 22 air-to-air missiles. Speed and range. Capable of flying at over Mach 2.5 with long operational range. Advanced avionics. It incorporates modern radar, electronic warfare systems, and cockpit displays. 2-pilot option. Its large cockpit can house 2 crew members for complex missions. Unlike stealth jets, the F-15 EX is designed to carry a large payload and deliver heavy firepower quickly. It complements stealth aircraft by providing brute force in contested airspace.
Perfect. How many watts are we?
4. F-18 Super Hornet, the carrier warrior. The F-18 Super Hornet serves as the primary strike fighter for the U.S. Navy. Built to operate from aircraft carriers, it is highly reliable, versatile, and combat-proven. Key features: carrier capability, rugged landing gear and tail hooks for carrier operations, strike and air superiority roles, able to switch between bombing and dogfighting missions, multi-mission avionics. Includes targeting pods, active electronically scanned array radar, and refueling capabilities. Low maintenance, designed with operational efficiency and durability in mind. The Super Hornet has proven its worth in multiple conflicts from Iraq to Afghanistan, making it a cornerstone of the U.S. Navy's global power projection. F16 Fighting Falcon. Introduced in the 1970s, the F-16 Fighting Falcon remains one of the most iconic and widely used fighter jets in the world. Lightweight, maneuverable, and cost-effective, the F-16 has evolved through numerous upgrades and is still actively deployed by the U.S. Air Force. Key features: agility. Small frame and bubble canopy give excellent visibility and control. Combat-proven. Thousands built and deployed across over 25 nations, battle-tested in countless operations. Upgradable systems. Continues to receive modern radar, targeting pods, and weapons systems. Multi-role efficiency. Effective in both air combat and precision ground strikes. The F-16 is expected to serve into the 2040s thanks to its versatility and modernized versions like the F-16V, proving that a well-designed aircraft can stay relevant for decades. U.S. dominance in the skies. From the stealthy F-22 and F-35 to the heavy-hitting F-15 EX and the reliable F-18 and F-16, the U.S. military's fleet of fighter jets is unmatched in both quality and quantity. These jets are not only technological marvels, they are tools of deterrence, defense, and rapid response. Each of these aircraft plays a distinct role: stealth and surprise, overwhelming firepower, adaptability, or carrier-based operations. Together, they form an integrated lethal force that ensures U.S. air superiority across the globe. In an era of rapidly evolving threats, the skies remain a domain the U.S. continues to dominate, and these 5 deadly fighter jets are the sharpest weapons in its arsenal.